The best laptops for engineering students are powerful enough to handle the computationally intensive work such studies require, while still being light and efficient enough to last a full day of classes without running out of steam in the middle of a lecture. This used to be a tricky combination to find, especially at a price that fits into a student's budget. However, recent advances in the mobile CPU and GPU technology have brought to market a number of laptops that are lightweight, durable, and powerful enough to tackle most engineering projects. We present to you our list of the best laptops for engineering students, which should make your buying decision easier. Let's dive in, shall we? For engineering students in search of a laptop that delivers outstanding value for the price, the MSI Cyborg 15 stands out as the top pick in 2024. This laptop offers advanced features without compromising on size. It's remarkably lightweight at just 4.37 pounds and slim at under an inch thick, ensuring ease of transport. Equipped with a Core i7 10-core CPU and an RTX 4060, it provides an exceptional gaming experience on ultra settings. The laptop's IPS display features a 144 Hz refresh rate, while its memory and storage capacities are impressively generous. Ideal for students who alternate between demanding engineering applications and high-end gaming, the MSI Cyborg 15 marries sleek portability with formidable processing strength. Its compactness is a boon for scholars on the move, yet it doesn't skimp on performance, thanks to the powerful Intel Core i7 processor and the NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU. This machine stands out for its optimal blend of high refresh rate screen along with substantial storage and RAM. The 15.6-inch IPS display boasts a 144 HD refresh rate, enhancing the gaming experience with crisp, fluid visuals. This feature pairs well with a laptop's 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a large 2 TB NVMe SSD, providing ample capacity and swift access to all necessary files for both academic and gaming pursuits. Recognized as one of the premier gaming laptops suited for engineering students, the MSI Cyborg 15 gaming laptop achieves an excellent equilibrium between gaming excellence and educational functionality. Although its battery life may fall short of perfection, the Cyborg 15 also excels as a productivity tool when connected to power. Given the price point, this laptop is an unbeatable choice. For those with a passion for gaming and engineering, the Alienware M18 emerges as the top gaming laptop choice in 2024. This model redefines the concept of large display laptops, boasting an 18-inch screen without compromising its aesthetic or functionality. It's a behemoth in terms of power, featuring the latest tech components, yet it remains surprisingly accessible price-wise. Despite its considerable size, the M18's design cleverly minimizes its bulk through sleek curves and downward-sloping edges, making it appear less imposing than expected. When placed side by side with the Asus ROG Strix Scar 18, the M18's refined silhouette stands out, offering a more streamlined look. The 18-inch display is nothing short of spectacular, providing an immersive gaming experience that's hard to beat. Gamers have the choice between a 165 Hz QHD Plus and a lightning-fast 480 Hz FHD Plus display, ensuring fluid motion and crisp visuals, although the matte finish may slightly reduce brightness. This laptop doesn't skimp on connectivity options, boasts a high-quality 1080p webcam, and features a keyboard that's both responsive and includes a full-size numeric pad for enhanced usability. What sets the M18 apart is its extensive customization options, which eclipse those offered by competitors like Asus. From configurations starting with an i7 RTX 4060 combo to the high-end pairing of Intel's i9 processors with RTX 4090 graphics, there's something for every level of gaming intensity. The inclusion of the 13900 HKS processor guarantees stellar performance, maintaining high frame rates and swift render times. Moreover, the 18-inch model benefits from a 16:10 aspect ratio, giving gamers and professionals alike more screen real estate. Its larger chassis allows for more efficient cooling, translating into quieter operation and enhanced performance. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Introducing the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2, our choice for the most impressive hybrid laptop for engineering students available in 2024. This iteration of the Surface Laptop Studio enhances its predecessor significantly, boasting an Intel 13th Gen Core i7 processor, NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, and the option for up to 64 gigabytes of RAM. Despite a slight increase in weight and thickness, the enhancements in computing power make it an attractive option for a wide range of users, including engineers, digital artists, content creators, and gamers. The base model now comes equipped with a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a substantial 512 gigabyte storage space, quadrupling its storage capacity and enhancing CPU performance. With configurations offering a Core i7 13700H CPU, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU, this laptop can handle a variety of intensive tasks smoothly. Microsoft has thoughtfully incorporated a USB-A 3.1 port and a micro SD card slot, responding to user feedback while maintaining the dual Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, headphone jack, and Surface Connect. The innovative screen design allows users to effortlessly transition from traditional laptop mode to stage mode by pulling the screen forward, optimizing it for touch-based tasks, media consumption, and creative endeavors. The Surface Laptop Studio 2 not only supports your creative and entertainment needs throughout the day with up to 18 hours of battery life, but also dazzles with its 14.4-inch PixelSense Flow touchscreen. The display offers vibrant colors and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. The signature 3:2 aspect ratio of the screen is perfect for photo editing, video production, and design projects, making it an excellent tool for both work and play. Good stuff. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Up next, meet the runner-up in our 2024 roundup of top laptops for engineering students, the Dell XPS 15. This model distinguishes itself as a sleek powerhouse, perfect for those who prioritize portability without sacrificing performance. Featuring cutting-edge Intel Core processors across all variants and preloaded with Windows 11, the Dell XPS 15 is designed to cater to the rigorous demands of engineering software and 3D modeling tasks. Select models are equipped with NVIDIA GPUs, enhancing their capability for both intricate CAD projects and high-end gaming. What sets the Dell XPS 15 apart is its remarkable blend of power packed into a slender frame, complemented by exceptional audio quality and a stunning Infinity Edge display that offers immersive viewing experience. While it represents a significant investment, the laptop's robust performance justifies its price point, proving itself as an indispensable tool for engineering students. Equipped with a 10th Gen Intel Core i7, a 512GB SSD, and 16GB of RAM, it effortlessly handles complex computational tasks. The laptop also boasts Dell Mobile Connect, facilitating seamless integration with mobile phones for dual-screen setups, easy file sharing, and managing notifications and messages directly from your laptop. Despite its impressive capabilities, the Dell XPS 15 remains remarkably thin at just 0.71 inches, making it highly portable. Weighing slightly over 4.5 pounds, it's designed for ease of travel. In addition to its technical prowess, the Dell XPS 15 is environmentally conscious, incorporating materials sourced from ocean plastic waste and other recycled plastics. The 15.6-inch touchscreen display features a 16:10 aspect ratio, offering ample vertical space for coding and design work, while its OLED panel delivers vivid colors and excellent brightness levels, exceeding 400 nits. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. We're excited to unveil the top contender for the best laptop for engineering students in 2024. Clinching the gold medal, meet the Razer Blade 15. For those who prioritize longevity in their tech investments and demand a machine that stays relevant with software like AutoCAD for years to come, the Razer Blade 15 stands out as a premium choice. While it may carry a higher price tag than some of its competitors, the value it delivers is unmatched. Designed with the gaming prowess that Razer is known for, this laptop is more than capable of handling the intensive demands of engineering applications, thanks to its formidable RTX 3000 series graphics card, cutting-edge DDR5 memory, and the latest 12th Gen Alder Lake Intel CPU. Performance evaluations reveal that the Razer Blade 15 effortlessly manages even the most challenging projects and assignments. The aesthetic appeal of the Razer Blade 15 is undeniable, featuring a robust brushed aluminum chassis, a high-precision glass trackpad, and an RGB keyboard that adds a touch of elegance to your typing experience. The display is equally impressive, offering various resolutions up to 4K quality, a refresh rate of 144 Hz, and 100% DCI P3 color space, making it perfect for detailed design tasks. Leveraging NVIDIA's pioneering third-generation RTX architecture, the GPU excels in rendering the most lifelike ray trace graphics and leveraging advanced AI functionalities, setting a new standard for graphics performance in gaming laptops. The integration of the PCIe Gen 4 and DDR5 memory, with speeds reaching up to 5200 MHz, ensures the Intel i7 13800H 14-core processor meets the highest performance benchmarks effortlessly. Moreover, with expandability options like additional M.2 slot for up to 4 terabytes and upgradable memory slots supporting up to 64 gigabytes, the Blade 15 is fully equipped to tackle even the most demanding computing needs head-on. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.